Yeah, today we're gonna do a classic tune. I mean, it's like you gotta know this one. If you know, it works acoustic, electric, it's just instant vibe. You play this and people are like, yeah. So it's super easy. Let's zoom in for a closer look. All right, let's break down this part one real quick. So we're gonna do an E chord followed by a D chord where you don't have to put your bottom finger on. We're just gonna pluck from the E, G, and B. From there, we're gonna go to an A chord, just like that E chord, but just down. All right, so we got. Now I'm going to hit one downstroke on the E, and then I'm going to go down, up, down, down, up, down. So down, up, down on the D, down, up, down on the A. Okay, now the other thing that I'm doing is after I hit the chords, I'm going to mute. So it's real tight as soon as the chord is done played. Now you can relax the pressure on this hand, that'll help mute as well, but the palm alone should do it. Then you can, loosen this up for just double your pleasure, double the mute, baby. All right, so after that, we're gonna go right out of E minor pentatonic. We're just gonna do a little riff. It's real simple. All we're doing is going to the 3rd fret of the E and the B. So we're gonna start off with the E, open, 3rd fret, open, and then we're gonna go. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna bend up, pull off. So it's a pick, bend, release, pull. Right, so we got. One more time. Now the next part, it's a little bit of a stretch. We're gonna always come back to the 2nd fret A. So we're gonna go. So what we'll do is we'll start off with the A fret, and then we're going to go to the 4th fret. I use my 3rd finger. Some people it might be easier to use all 1st and pinky. And then I'm going to go back to the 2nd fret. I'm going to go up to the E string, 5th, back to the A, back to the E, now up a fret. I'm going to hit the same note, the B and the B, but I'm going to slide this one down on the low E. One more time. So you're going to start at the 4th fret and just go up 1 fret at a time, all the way up to the 7th fret. You're going to start off with the A string, E, A, E, A, E, A, E, slide down, and then right back into the. Right? So there's that part. Now the chorus is real simple as well. We got. So we're going to use the same kind of chords we've been using. The only other chord we're going to introduce, or chords, I should say, is a B and a G. Just 2nd fret, 4th fret, typical power chord. Right, so we're going to go A, E, B, A. So it's again. Now we're going to go G, D, A, and then we're going to go back to the G, but just give it a little pull. And then back to the A. So we got. Back to the G, but now we're going to go down, 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 down. So we got.